Hey guys, this is Fatima Hashmi. In this video, I'm going to teach you what test cross and back cross is. Well, let's start off by saying, okay, let's start. If you are told, first let me tell you what actually back cross is. Back cross means crossing of F1 hybrid offsprings with any one of the parent. Okay? Okay, let's see what does this mean. It looks quite confusing and you must be baffled. But as we will study this plant crossing, you will get to know easily what actually it is. Suppose we are crossing this pure dominant parent. Pure is also called as homozygous. That means both are dominant, same. Is crossed with pure recessive. Again, pure or homozygous, one and the same. Pure recessive. Small t, small t. Both are same. Both are recessive characters. When they are crossed, in genetics, cross terminology is used a lot. That means pollinated. Okay, when these two plants are pollinated, that keeps us, this is called P1 generation. Parents, they keep the offspring. That offspring is called as F1 hybrid or F1 generation. So they give offspring with genotype capital T, small t. Well, how this came up? To find out, let's check this out by Punnett square. Let us cross this female capital T with male small t, small t. Capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Okay, all tall hybrids. Hybrids. Hybrids are also called as heterozygous. Remember, hetero means different. They are all different, but they got a dominant character of tallness. Okay? So capital T, small t, that's why one is dominant and the other is recessive. So they are all tall hybrid plants or heterozygous plants. So we got the offspring. By crossing these two parents, we got genotype, we got the offspring of genotype capital T, small t, in which tallness is dominant because we got a tall plant when we cross tall plant with a dwarf plant. So its genotype is capital T and small t. F1 hybrid is the offspring. Now you must be getting something. You got the hint what I want to tell. Back cross. Crossing of F1 hybrid offspring with any one of the parent. Okay? Back cross means crossing of F1 hybrid offspring with any one of the parent. Okay, let us assume, pretend for now that we don't know what is the genotype of F1 hybrid offspring. Let us assume that way, that we don't know this. Okay? So, suppose we don't know its genotype and we want to find whether it is pure tall, because there are two possibilities for tallness. One is capital T and capital T small t. T is dominant. So there are two possibilities for tallness. So we want to find out whether it is pure TT, homozygous or heterozygous, capital T small t hybrid. We'll perform test cross.